Unlock your creativity with our certificate in nail art and design. Learn how to create unique and stunning designs that will impress your clients and set you apart from other nail technicians. Our comprehensive online course covers all the core techniques and skills you need to create beautiful nail art. Our expert design curriculum includes video tutorials that demonstrate step-by-step how to use tools, products and equipment to create a variety of popular designs, from ombre and glitter to geometric patterns and 3D art. You'll also learn how to troubleshoot common challenges that nail art technicians may face. With 24/7 access to all course material and expert tutor support 6 days a week, earning your certificate has never been easier. Upon enrolment, you'll receive a complete nail art kit that includes all the tools and materials you need to become a pro. This course is perfect for anyone with a passion for creativity and a desire to enhance their nail skills. Whether you're a seasoned nail technician or just starting out, our nail art and design course will help you elevate your craft and boost your earning potential. Upon completion of the course, you'll be awarded a Certificate of Attainment in Nail Art and Design, which will highlight your overall understanding of this service and the individual skills you have achieved competency in. Don't miss out on the opportunity to unleash your artistic potential and enroll in our Nail Art and Design course today.